Okay, done for the day. I washed the shoes off here, or hosed them off. The Celtics game is on, the Warriors, game 2. I'm going to see who's winning that. I got the ditch dug. I could walk over there, I guess. I had a big root back here, a low root way back there. I'll have to deal with that. Probably hand shovel and go underneath of it, but I have a pretty good drop, pretty deep, another 20 feet. 15, 20 feet, I'll be out to that ditch, and then I can start laying pipe. So there we go. I think the drain situation is solved for now. Even if I don't get the pipe run, that ditch will act as the drain, so that'll be good. Here's all the rocks that I found in that little piece of pipe, 7-foot section between the actual grate and the edge of the asphalt driveway. Hosed it out, fished it out, pushed it out with rebar, all sorts of stuff. But there, I think, was the initial problem. So that and dirt and gravel, big gravel rocks, just flat out big rocks. How they got there, I have no clue. But I'll frame those someday, hot summer day. I'll think about all this water and look at those rocks and say, aha. Okay, enough of that. See ya.